I like my salads nice and dressed. I don't like them underdressed. Actually, I like them underdressed too. There's few things in this world I love more than a delicious homemade chicken salad. I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. Let's go. Let's make our breadcrumbs. Go ahead and pulverize your breadcrumbs into small little pieces. Go ahead and take your olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, add your breadcrumb, cook until golden brown. Guys, let's make some Parmesan tuile. Then we'll take our Parmesan here. We'll just make nice little layers inside of the ring. Now we'll bake these at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's prepare some toppings for our salad. Some shaved fennel. Got our radishes. Got our tomatoes. Take your carrot. We'll shave like we did the cucumber. Alright, next let's make some potato coins for our salad. We want to take a Japanese mandolin, slice some little coins. We'll go ahead and simmer these until cooked through. Add a couple sprigs of fresh thyme. Alright guys, let's make the creamy garlic sherry dressing. You want to take 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, a couple tablespoons of roasted garlic, like a lot of garlic in this dressing. Put a little bit of this oil too, a little bit more garlic flavor. About a tablespoon of water, a couple sprigs of fresh thyme, sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, a tablespoon of sugar, lemon zest, and the juice of a half a lemon. Alright, we need a really good quality sherry vinegar. Then we want to emulsify with avocado oil. There we have our dressing. Let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. Let it set up. Okay guys, let's put our delicious salad together. Let's take some of our beautiful potatoes that we made, some organic lettuces. That was some baby kale, this is some wild arugula, some red leaf lettuce, nice handful of our carrots, fennel, cucumbers, radish. And we have some fennel frond. Just kind of break up and put in there. Gonna have some purple basil. I like the leaves and the little top buds that grow off like that. We'll add some of our beautiful tomatoes. Some chopped bacon, add some of our creamy garlic sherry dressing. I like to go around the bowl, the side of the bowl, and then we'll just toss it in. That way you don't overdress the salad. You can kind of bring it in as you wish. Let's plate our salad.